Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you some best website that providing some best eSIM for USA. The first one is my mobile where you can find Wi-Fi hotspot, instant activation, 4G and 5G data, optional auto renew. It is also 4.6 rated by Trustpilot, over 7,000 reviews, and from here you just need to set the destination to purchasing a package. First set the destination to USA here, and select the arrival and departure date. For example, I'm going to select this for arrival date and departure date. Then you just need to click on search plans, and here you will find all the available plans in Maya Mobile, and you will find in the best prices. Now you can find this, all the eSIMs are 5G, and you can get 5 GB internet data for 10.99 USD. Also you get maximum get 14 GB for 43.99 USD, and also it will prepaid for 10 days, and you just need to pay for 43.99 USD. Now select a package and click on activate now. I'm going to click on of them, and from here you can customize your plan, but make sure that you have create account in Maya Mobile to avoiding the account creation step from here. And after this you will find all the details about your eSIM from here, and all the payable amount here also, and you can customize your plan from here. You can customize your starting date, your prepaid date, then simply click on review and pay. Then you will get a transaction page where you can make a transaction. From here you can see the details from here. The second one is USA eSIM. You can delete an item by simply click on delete item from here in from this cart, and here is the details about your USA eSIM, and here is the total amount. You can see there is no additional taxes or fees included. It is all included to your subtotal amount. Now you can go with your Google Pay. You just need to click on buy with Google Pay, and it will redirect you to the GPay transaction page where you can enter the account credentials, and you can make the transaction, and you can pay for your eSIM. Also you can do the same for your PayPal. You have to just enter your account credential and confirm the transaction. Now for if you want to pay with credit card or debit card, you just enter your card number, your expiry date, security code, and the card holder name. Then simply click on this button, pay and the amount button, and as soon as you pay for the eSIM you will get it activated on your device. And it's pretty simple and much easier, and also it is value for money. Now the second website is yarallo.com, and here you can also find some interesting deals for eSIMs. You just need to select the location for United States, and this is all the packages for data, only data, and you can also get data, calls and text packages all included. And if you want only data, then you can have a free welcome eSIM from this yarallo.com. You just need to click on get free eSIM, and you will get 500 MB data from here for 3 days. Also there are some paid packages that you can purchase. Also you can go with data, calls and text all in on packages, and here you can see 1 GB 20 minutes to a 10 SMS for 7 days, and you have to pay for $7, and maximum here 20 GB 400 minutes 200 SMS for 30 days. You have to pay for 49 USD dollar. Now click on all of these packages, and then you have to select the package. You can also select this package from here. Now you will find some additional information from here, and you can see no eKYC required for this package. Simply click on buy button here, and you will get the checkout page from here. And in this checkout page you will find the details about your package that you are purchasing with the eSIM and the total amount. Now you have to choose a payment method from here. Just simply click on here and you can go with your credit card or debit card. You can go with your PayPal account or Alipay account. So just select it and you can apply any code or use your money that you have available in your ERLO account. Then click on this box here. After selecting the payment method, then click on read and accept, then click on complete our order. Then it will redirect you to the payment methods transaction page, where you just need to enter the credential of your account, then confirm the transaction. You have to pay the amount for the eSIM. Then it will give you a transaction number, transaction code, or any type of receipt. And after a few minutes you will get the email or SMS from earlo.com, and you will get the eSIM activated on your device. That's how you can purchase the best eSIM for USA. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.